Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an Oreo milkshake at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 Oreo cookies, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and 1/2 cup of milk. Whole milk is recommended for a creamier texture. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. This simple recipe will create a delicious treat in minutes. Next, let's prepare the Oreos. Take about 8 to 10 cookies and crush them into coarse crumbs. You can use a food processor for quick results, or place them in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Remember to save 2 or 3 cookies for a beautiful garnish later. Leaving some larger pieces adds a delightful texture to your milkshake. Now it's time to blend everything together. Add your 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, 1/2 cup of milk, and the crushed Oreo crumbs into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thinner milkshake, you can add a little more milk, 1 tablespoon at a time. Be careful not to overblend. Finally, pour your delicious Oreo milkshake into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, add a generous swirl of whipped cream on top. Crumble the 2 or 3 reserved Oreo cookies over the whipped cream as a garnish. Serve your homemade Oreo milkshake immediately to enjoy its refreshing, creamy goodness. It's the perfect treat for any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.